Hey, Mark R. LePage, EntreArchitect, and we're talking EntreArchitect hybrid proposal this week. All this week I've been sharing the little tips and bits about this document. We went through the cover letter and why that's important. We dove into the proposal and how to design that to make that work to your best advantage. Yesterday we talked about the terms and conditions and how that should be developed and the importance of why this document as a customizable document is so valuable. Today I want to just share my reference sheet. Every proposal that you put together, you want to put together a reference sheet so people can call your very happy clients and find out how they feel about it. And we all do that, right? We all have reference sheets. But our reference sheet for the EntreArchitect hybrid proposal, I put together a code here. It's hard to see, but let's see those codes right there. TK, MK. Down here at the bottom is a reference for that. And what that is, it says T is traditional style, M is modern style, K is it includes the kitchen, and CM means that it includes construction management services. So now when a client looks at my reference sheet, they can say, oh, I know this client was in this town, because they talk about which town they're in. We talk about MK, so it included a modern kitchen, and it gives them the phone number to call. So now it's not just a random client that my firm worked with. Now it's a client that worked in this town and they have a modern kitchen. So now they have a specific person they can call on their reference sheet. It's a great way to do it. I have a reference sheet with maybe 15, 20 different references. I ask every client for their reference and then I organize them in a really simple way. So that's a great tip for you to use at your firm. I'm putting together a webinar, a free webinar. EntreArchitect.com/free webinar is where you can register. It's going out on Monday at 10 a.m. It's pre-recorded, so what it's doing is it's diving deep into each one of these documents. And I'm going to show you why and how I put together my EntreArchitect hybrid proposal for my firm, this is the document that I use for my own small residential architecture firm. We've been using it for over a decade now, and it's a really powerful system. And I'm going to show it to you, step by step, the entire document in this webinar, EntreArchitect.com/free webinar. You need to register before Sunday at midnight. So April 22nd, 2018, before 11:59 p.m. you need to register, EntreArchitect.com/free webinar. And you can register there, and on Monday at 10 a.m. in your inbox will come this pre-recorded webinar session. So EntreArchitect.com/free webinar. And I'll see you there.